days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met.
Hello again. Well, we are in East Gippsland. We have a Hipcamp getaway booked for the long weekend. I'll put the details up there or down there or somewhere if you're interested in checking it out. We have the dogs with us, we have the van hooked up, we have a new paddleboard to try out, so that should be interesting. Yeah, so we'll see how we go.
Sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place.
Okay, Rick just cracked a joke.
I'm allowed to laugh at my own jokes too.
You are.
I am.
Not fit for YouTube.
I am allowed to laugh at my own jokes.
So this is home for the next 3 nights. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This whole section to ourselves, right on the waterfront. We have our own fire pit. There's a jetty just there. Big area behind that little tree there for the dogs to play. As you can see, they are tuckered out. So this is home. Humble, nothing flashy, but we're not flashy. There's towels everywhere to make it dog proof. There will be fur everywhere. But yeah, there you go. This is us. Home.
I'm coming home. Oh, oh. I'm coming home. I wanna be home.
Guess what we're having for dinner? Yum.
Let's also tell everybody why we're only seeing my pizza being made.
Yes, I wonder why that would be.
Well, photo instead of video. What can I say?
I put someone in charge of photography and we got lots of photos. Apparently the Iron Jack couldn't wait for the pizza.
Couldn't.
Do I have what it takes to make you fall in love with me? Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Maybe I don't really know you. Maybe I don't really know myself. Let me rest in your...
So it's a bit chilly outside. We've decided to come in and have a game of cards. We've got one there. Little Xena puppy's having a snooze. They're buggered. They've had a big day. Zeus is over there. That's where he normally sleeps. Xena usually sleeps in the bathroom. What I do inside, because Zeus usually sleeps either on the couch or the floor, I've just got one of the Anko yoga mats from Kmart underneath because a lot of cold comes up through the floor. So he's got his blankie over the top and he's good to go. I'm not sure if you can see, but I bought these little lights for them on Amazon. Mostly for when we're bush camping. They're pretty funny.
Sometimes I don't know why.
Life with 2 German Shepherds is all about fur. Isn't it, buddy? It's about the fur.
Can you tell me your secrets?
Hoi. What's the best thing about camping with me?
Oh, you could have given me some warning.
Hoi hoi.
Mm.
What's the best thing about camping with me?
Breakfast.
So this morning we're having banana pancakes for breakfast on the Trangia. So it's just bananas, egg, some tapioca flour. That's it, with some berries and maple syrup and cream.
Cliche to say, but it's true.
Oh, good boy. Come on, sweetheart. Scoop. Come on. I know you're scared. Come on. Good boy. Come on. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. Scoop. Good girl. Come on, buddy. Oh, you poor Rocky. Come on. Good boy. Oh, sweetheart.
The thing is about paddleboarding, I don't know how to do it, but we'll give it a crack. Should be fun.
How was that?
Practice, but good fun, but need practice.
It's a hard life. 35 degrees. Just been for a paddle What else could you wish for? Where is it, mate? Did you get it? Find him.
Know what my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And
Who is it?
didn't show, but I wanted to know everything I could about you.
Oh, you've had enough. Okay, good boy.
Were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor.
Hoi hoi.
Hoi hoi.
Some odd reason
What's the best thing about camping with me?
Dinner.
Burgers tonight for our last night here. Gluten-free buns, some green stuff, some red stuff, some onion, egg and cheese.
and we floated together for a while. But you had to go. Now I carry the load. Took off in the wind and my smile. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you said the bar.
Good morning. Well, we are just packing up, ready to head home. Highly recommend this place. Amazing little piece of paradise. $50 a night, Hipcamp. Great for kids. Bring the dogs. Beautiful. So if you've made it this far and you haven't burnt your phone or TV, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure bringing you along with us. Consider liking and subscribing so you can catch us on more adventures, and we'll see you next time.
What is loving anymore?
But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for